Hello, happy hour crafters. I just wanted to share with you my space and how it works for me. I guess I was lucky enough, I have a spare bedroom. My kids have moved out, so I do have a little more room. And so this is my area. And yes, I do tend to keep all my stamps because I love them. This is my space, and it's just taking up one wall in a small 10 by 10 room. I do have my punches on the wall. And I'll kind of get into detail on a couple little areas that I do like. And then I just added this small little table to the side. And then right behind me is just a couple shelves so that I can utilize the cutter and also the Big Shot. And then again, this is dividing my room, so it's giving me a space for a small couch. And then I also have a workout area. And then if we swing back over here, there's plenty of storage. I do like all these cabinets that you can pick up from either Michael's or from IKEA, and also Amazon. I tend to do that a lot. If you can see the lighting, I keep the lighting set up. I have 3 pieces that are just right around my desk. All I have to do is turn them on, keep the desk light on, and it gives me enough lighting to video my card making and also take photos. And then for videoing, I had my husband help me, and this is just basically a pipe that we have. The bracket is screwed to the wall, and then the pipe just screws right into that bracket. And then I'm using a camera stand, and then if you can see this little piece right here, this is just a little one of those pool noodles. I just kind of cut it in pieces to shove in there so it keeps this nice and sturdy inside that pipe. And then I like using the floating shelves. They're easy to get to, able to organize my adhesives. You can see my fast fuse, and then my dimensionals. And then I love 3M. I use 3M hooks everywhere, so they're holding my scissors, my snips. And then this is something, when I had the desk placed here, I needed to pull the desk out a little bit for filming. So that meant you were kind of losing this little space here. So I found these little plexi shelves, screwed them in the wall, so it just extended the desk out, gave me another good almost 4 inches so that I can place my acrylics. I love that. Just a little extra room, widen the desk. Again, another floating shelf and a clock. I need a clock because I get in here and I forget what time it is. I'll forget to go to work if I didn't have a clock sitting there. And then we're going to swing over again on my storage and the door. And then you're going to see how I take care of my ribbon. I just purchased 2 racks from Amazon. These are just storage racks that screw to the inside of a cabinet. And I place all my ribbons in there so I can see them, put them color coded, and then I have my paper storage. This works for me. I'm keeping everything right here. I have a chair that I just kind of wheel around on the hardwood floor. I have a little workspace here. This is usually where I'll put my finished projects. And then back over to my desk. You can see my chair. I have a little trash can hanging there, and again another trash can on the other side, just to kind of keep the room clean. But there you go, my space. Happy hour crafting. Cheers.